Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in our 13th video in the I-55 series, we continue north on I-55 in Yalobusha County, Mississippi. Exit 227 provides access to the towns of Oakland, just to the west on US 51, and Water Valley about 15 miles to the east. Oakland had an estimated population of 501 in 2019, and Water Valley had approximately 3,255 residents. At exit 233 is the unincorporated community of Enid to the west, and to the east is Enid Lake in the George P. Kosar State Park. Most of the state park land around the lake and in nearby Holly Springs National Forest is open for public hunting and is abundant in a variety of game. Air-conditioned cabins are available for overnight stays. Activities include disc golf, picnic pavilions, a playground, a nature trail, miniature golf, fishing, and water skiing. We're now in Panola County, established in February of 1836. The county had an estimated population of 34,178 as of 2018. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 237 provides access to the communities of Pope and Cortland, both of which are just to the west of I-55 on US Highway 51. Pope is a village with a population of 248 and is perfectly square, measuring 1 mile by 1 mile. The town of Cortland is equally square and only slightly larger. It has an estimated population of 511 as of 2019. We enter the city of Batesville, one of 2 county seats of Panola County. 2 county seats were established due to a rivalry between Batesville and Sardis, a town on the other side of the Tallahatchie River. Batesville was founded in the 1850s following the construction of the short-line Mississippi and Tennessee Railroad, which later became part of the Illinois Central Railroad and is now part of the Grenada Railroad. Batesville was named for Mr. Jim Bates, a conductor on the Mississippi and Tennessee Railroad, and a prominent Methodist minister in the county. Batesville's estimated population as of 2019 was 7,218. At exit 243, US Highway 278 crosses I-55, leading to the city of Oxford and the University of Mississippi, about 20 miles down the road to the east. We conclude today's video as we leave Batesville at mile marker 248. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.